to meet the efficient manufacturing needs of Ford pickup truck boxes in Thailand. While it has tailored a flexible welding production line encompassing 5 core workstations, the line, which is now officially operational, integrates rail conveying, high-precision fixtures, automated welding, and intelligent tightening equipment, ensuring smooth flow and precise assembly of box components between workstations. The general assembly and repair welding fixtures support the rapid switching of multiple Ford cargo box models, can adapt to the mixed line production of multiple models, and improve the utilization rate of the production line. Designed specifically for high-demand markets such as North America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, it is suitable for the mass production of cargo boxes for pickup trucks, SUVs, and other vehicles. Through automated processes and modular design, the assembly efficiency and production line automation level are significantly improved, while also being scalable. The project has now officially started production, and with its cost-effective intelligent manufacturing configuration, it has helped Ford Thailand achieve capacity upgrades.